what dreams, so unlike what you've seen, so mature but it seems God's been waiting for you, falling into this place, just giving you a small taste of